So Ethan really wants to what? Jump on the cliff? It's high. Is it okay?
It's hard.
It's high. Is it okay for you? It's okay? Huh? It's okay? Huh? Yes? Kika is very brave. Kika, come with mommy. Sige. Since Ethan is very, very eager to jump, because he is a monkey jumping on the cliff. Monkey jumping on the cliff. Are you a monkey jumping on the cliff? Pagbibigyan kita anak, dahil makulit ka. Sige, tapang mo ha. You wanna jump in the sikihor ha? Sige. Okay? Gab, come on. Kaya mo? Ha? Oh, ito chinelas na magpapa ako. Oh, kunin mo chinelas mo. Papa ako. Come on. Where's the clip? Where's the clip? Kinuha mo yung chinelas ko? Kinuha mo? Suotin mo yan. Asan yung clip? Saan? Where's the clip? Clip? Where? Ano? Nasaan yun?
Hindi yun.
Asan? Where's the clip?
Dito.
Come on. Ang tapang ng anak mo eh. Sige.
Not that dangerous.
Not that dangerous daw. Where is it? Oh, it's too high. Hindi ko mahanap kung nasaan. Tara. This one. Daddy, gusto talaga ng anak mo.
Hindi ka tanong. Gaway tayo dyan. Pinilit mo.
Ethan, it's so high oh.
Siya dito ah.
Scary. Go. Go back na.
Babakasyon tayo.
Go back na.
It's dangerous. Come on. Dangerous.
There's a lot of stones. Don't push me ah. Ano? Doon na. It's too high, come on.
Tamaan mo, tamaan mo.
It's too high, come on. It's too high, come on. Gab, you wear the slippers.
Balik ka na doon, Gab. Balik ka na.
Samahan mo sila doon. Oh, look at it. There's no way there. There's no way. There's no more stairs. Come on. Oh, scary. Come on, go down. Go down. Oh.
Papa.
Sige. Go down. Sige.
Thank you. No, stop it for you.
Better pay.